Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if you have a low volume problem on your Motorola Moto G86 Power. First, you want to make sure that your volume settings are not set too low. To do so, use the volume keys to increase them. You can tap on the three dots to see the different types of volume. Your media volume, your call volume, your ring volume, notification volumes, as well as alarm volumes. You can also see those in settings. Here, I believe, under sound and vibration, and you can change them here. You can also, if you have problems with low volume, try turning off Do Not Disturb if it's turned on. And if all of these things don't work, you could check if your speakers aren't clogged or otherwise dirty. It's right here. If they are dirty, you could use some compressed air or soft tools, preferably non-metallic, as to not cause any shorting or anything like this in your device. Also, don't shove anything too deep in there or too hard to not damage it. The second set of speakers should be somewhere around the top. You could try looking under the case. Okay, I found it. The second set is right here. This small little kind of gap. You might not notice it from the video, but in person you'll probably see it right here, a little gap where your call's volume is coming from. If you're using headphones, you could consider also cleaning your headphone speakers, although that might be tricky depending on what headphones you use. While also, if you're using headphones, you should try checking without headphones if you have volume. If you're using cabled headphones, of course try cleaning your USB-C port. Although do be careful as to not damage it. Don't put anything made of metal or that could conduct electricity in there to not cause any bigger problems. Another thing you may try would be to reset your phone. To do so, press the power button and the volume up buttons at the same time and tap on restart to restart your phone to check if maybe it's going to fix it. Or you can go into safe mode to check for app interference. To do so, press and hold either the power off or the restart button and then tap on OK, which will restart your phone into safe mode, which might take a while. Once the phone starts back up, you'll know you're in safe mode by the text in the bottom left corner. You can go in here and test your volume out. You can even in here, by changing the volumes, you may hear them. If they're still quiet, even after cleaning your speakers and headphones, if you're using them, that would mean that there could be a problem with the speakers or headphones in question, which might mean that you'll have to take them to a service center. But if the issue disappears inside safe mode, that will mean that there is some app interfering with it. Then you might have to return to normal mode and start uninstalling your apps one by one and restarting your phone in between those uninstalls to find which one is causing the issues. Then, once you find which app is causing the issues, you can reinstall the other ones. Now, to exit safe mode, I'll first show another thing you can do. Of course, you can try checking for system updates to possibly help some bugs. You don't need to be in safe mode for this, but go into settings, then system updates at the bottom and check for updates. If you have updates, of course, install them. It's always the best thing to do. And well, now I'll show you how to exit safe mode. You can, well, of course, the power button and the volume up button. Or if you can't or don't want to do that, you can do so through this in the quick settings menu. And to exit safe mode, simply restart your phone. You could also power it off and then power it back on with holding the power button, but that's an unnecessary step when you can just restart it. Then, of course, once you're out of safe mode, you can go about uninstalling the apps you think may be causing the issue. But that's pretty much it. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.